now. Now get a pen and write this down. I want 1 no foam skimmed latte with an extra shot and 3 drip coffees with room for milk. Searing hot, and I mean hot. Hello? Where are you? Oh, I'm almost there. Yeah. Shoot.
For some reason that my coffee isn't here. Has she died or something?
Okay, I'm here. I have the Starbucks. I love my job, I love my job, I love my job. Always here to greet me. She's adorable, so cute to work with. Hey, look it. She is the best part of the day, I think. Okay, let's go get her. Okay, are you decent? Oh, yes you are. Okay.
Oh, you're so cute.
Okay, just checking. Well, oh, you look nice. Okay, here, coffee. There you go. Elizabeth is here. Hey, you. Okay, hey. Assistant number 2 is here.
Come behind the scenes with me today. My marketing team is always asking for pictures, so here we go. I always need help with this stupid bow. It's floppy and never sits right.
Oh, we just take it. Oh, well, but it's green. Doesn't it match?
I don't know, man. Oh,
No
I
green.
so love that. Oh my God.
Non-elevated last vessel.
Look at how great it looks now. And some no.
The furniture in the rooms upstairs needed arranging and the kitchen cleaned, so my sisters got to work. It's not all champagne and cute outfits around here. I sent Anita to fill my fruit bowl from my accessory room, and yes, of course, I had to rearrange them.
Hey, you're here. Hey there. This is Macy, the photographer extraordinaire that always takes the amazing pictures of Maria.
How many months are you? Oh my God. That's
Yeah, good check. Very cute. Okay.
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 My sister's always fixing my hair. She's a stylist, but she still won't cut my hair. She's worried I'll be too high maintenance. I have no idea where she would get that idea.
Oh,
Don't you love how my dress matches my chairs? Looks like I planned it or something. I love the scarf, but the girls said no. So we settled for a Chanel-inspired look.
It'll look better with these.
Why would a shorter pant look better if those
because
pants
then
don't?
you can see the shoes. Chanel outfit.
Oh yeah.
Macy says I'm not holding the color wheel up high enough. I have to be honest, I think she's enjoying bossing me around. Lucy break. It's her world and we just live in it. I love this baby girl so much. They wouldn't let me wear my leopard loafers. I thought the pink socks were good, but I guess if Barbie can wear pink heels, so can I.
Now we're cute.
These I never wear unless I'm in a photo shoot.
La 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 la. Okay.
Okay, we'll do that.
I'm starting to get tired of walking around in heels that I never ever wear, so I was happy to sit down.
Here we are having lunch with delicious chili. We got a little avocado toast happening here.
Fit check. The photo shoot would not be complete without me in my favorite color. And here I am holding all the lamps because my team is always asking for a photo of me and the lamps that I'm so obsessed with.
Do I get a twirl?
Last outfit, this one is more casual. I love the blue. And look how it matches my front doors.
All right, end of the day.
I can only wear slippers tonight.
Absolutely.
So this is we're having a dinner party outfit, but
All right, here we go. Little fit check in the bathroom. Hey, Lucy. Oh, that's super cute.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. It was a fun day. We got so much done. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and follow button. See you next time.
And our day is over. We're done.
Yeah. Great day.